Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you're signed in as an administrator. This gives you the permissions required. Once signed in, open Settings right away via Start or Win+I to save time. In Settings, go to System so you can access desktop-related options. If you plan to add network or older features, check your Windows 10 build and enable developer mode only if necessary. This avoids permission errors later and prepares the system for showing this PC on the desktop. Now you navigate to Personalization in Settings and choose Themes to access desktop icon settings. This is the main control point. Check the box for Computer, labeled This PC, then click Apply so the icon appears immediately. Once done, make sure icon sizes and spacing suit your workflow by right-clicking the desktop and selecting View. If you can't see files or system icons, open File Explorer options and enable showing hidden files and protected operating system files to reveal anything missing. Finish by confirming that this PC icon opens correctly and links to your drives. Test it once. If the icon doesn't appear, restart Windows Explorer via Task Manager and recheck desktop icon settings. Make sure your display scaling or third-party desktop managers aren't hiding icons. If problems persist, create a new user to isolate profile corruption or use system, restore to revert recent changes. Only modify group policy or the registry as a last resort and backup settings first to avoid further issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.